Welcome to FoodSafe Tools training video for suppliers and areas. In this video, we'll learn about suppliers and manage areas. Click on Manage Suppliers. There will be a list available already. If you use any of these suppliers, simply update the contact details to your rep. Change the name, email address, contact mobile number. It's worth keeping these details up to date as often as you can. Chefs can change often within an organization or go on leave, and the next staff member in charge usually do not have supplier details for ordering or to arrange a credit. Once all details have been entered, you can select the days the supplier delivers on. If you're unsure, this is not a required field to be completed. Once done, click Save and click back to Supplier List. To delete an active supplier, simply click on the Edit button and scroll down to the bottom of the page and tick Inactive and save changes. To add a supplier, simply click on the Add Supplier button and add their details. Once your supplier list is up to date, go back to Venue Setup and click on Manage Areas. There will be an area already listed as Main Kitchen. You can change the name if needed, but you must have an area listed for the system to work.